If we are made from energy and energy cannot be destroyed, what happens when we die? What happens to that energy, to the spirit, to the soul?
Why are you here?
It's all about connecting to my heart is the most important thing.
There's a lot of different perspectives.
It's something that will stay with me for a very long time.
Really amazing information that could resonate with everyone.
This is the real thing.
We are living what is being called a time of extremes.
Environmental degradation, global terrorism, global poverty and inequities.
Big, big changes in the world.
I believe it's definitely the end of something. But that end of something is the end of a false sense of who we really are.
Science is very important, but eventually you have to get in a state of consciousness where even science is only ignorance.
Positive thinking is massively important, because if you are a positive thinker, then you can achieve anything. Nothing is impossible.
The best way to predict your future is to create it, not from the known, but from the unknown.
What you are all constructed of is a coherent divine force that has purposefully cut itself off from the multiverse that exists around you so that you can experience a five-sense existence.
The moment you're observing the old self, you are no longer the program, but now you are consciousness observing the program.
In a few decades from now, we'll have a new scientific revolution, and it will be the greatest scientific revolution in the entire history of science.
We are on the brink of a revolution in our understanding of how we work and how the universe works.